says here your convert button should be working now, and it says chain add event listener to number input. The event listener should listen for key down events and take an empty arrow function as a callback. It says we should use the key down event because, and the key down event, this information says it fires every time a user presses a key on their keyboard and is a good way to add more interactivity to input elements. So I guess an example of this is if we are playing a game and then we should set the key down key, there's a movement for the player to jump, and then we use a key down event as space, and if the user or if the player presses space it will jump, I guess. I may be wrong. Anyways, so it says here to change the add event listener to number input, so we will write down number input first, and then we chain add event listener, and then rather using click we use key down. Yes, key down, and take an empty arrow function as a callback. Empty arrow function, how do you do that? Hmm, I assume I'm right. Ooh, a, and I guess this is where the event goes. The example, this is what I was talking about earlier. Jump, player should jump there. So if we press space, because we choose space to jump, then the player should jump. That's where the event goes.